Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be discussing the ThorChain project and ways we can make passive income with the RUNE and the THOR tokens through lending and staking. All right, let's get right into it. So I'm going to come over here to CoinMarketCap. They're currently ranked 89th in total market cap with just under 500 million. Big project. Let's go over here. It looks like you can buy their token at leading exchanges. I don't see Coinbase on there. Their all-time token price high was around $20. They're currently sitting at $1.40. Let's do a quick review of this ThorChain project. So what is ThorChain? ThorChain is a decentralized liquidity protocol. So if you think of this project, you would most likely consider it close to a Uniswap. And it allows users to easily exchange crypto assets in a permissionless setting, so fully decentralized. Their native token is the RUNE, which we'll get into, and it is used as base currency on the platform and for governance. They were launched back in 2019 through an IDO, initial DEX offering on Binance DEX. The founders of ThorChain, well, there is no CEO, founder, directors. This is a fully decentralized protocol. So how does this project work? Well, the developers work for the nodes. They ship code that makes the system more valuable. The nodes work for the liquidity providers by securing assets and being online. The liquidity providers bring capital into the platform and provide liquidity for swappers and arbitrageurs. So as those swappers and arbitrageurs are using the platform, they pay fees, and that brings economic activity to the project. So what makes ThorChain unique? Well, they say it mitigates the issue of impermanent losses. If you want to do some more research on impermanent loss, you can come to this website. I'm not going to get too much farther into it. Basically, it achieves this by using a slip-based fee to help ensure liquidity stays where it's needed. The protocol isn't profit-oriented. All fees generated go directly to the node operators and the liquidity providers. All right, so let's jump over here to DeFi Llama and we'll do a quick research. So this is the total market cap of DeFi currently. If I scroll over here, I'll go under chains and total locked value in all these chains. Obviously, Ethereum is going to be the highest with looks like 29 billion. If I scroll down, ThorChain is number 22nd with 117 million total value locked. It looks like it's gone up a little bit today, so it's 118 million. I'm also going to be discussing the THOR token or THORSwap. So if we go over here and we scroll down, it looks like THORSwap is a multi-chain DEX aggregator and it's built on THorChain. And THORSwap currently supports, looks like 20 different crypto assets over 5 different blockchains in a decentralized, non-custodial manner. So how do we make passive income holding the RUNE and THOR tokens? Well, let's get into it. So as a RUNE holder, you can provide liquidity. So you can be an LP and get into one of the pools, and we'll get into that in a minute. But for this particular first step, we're going to discuss THORSwap and ways we can make passive income with the THOR token. Most people probably won't have this token, but if you're using this platform, you'll want to own it, and you'll see why in a second. So if I go over here, you'll want to stake the THOR. And what this does, it earns you rewards, but it also gives you trading discounts on the platform. So you can see how this could be valuable. So if you're deciding to become a liquidity provider on THorChain, you might want to consider staking some THOR tokens, and you can do it just by going over here. You can swap with various different tokens. So if you had the RUNE, you could swap for the THOR, and you'll want to set up a wallet you can use the native wallet within this particular THORSwap platform. But if you don't, you can come over here. I've used XDEFI. You can use Metamask. It looks like you can use the Kepler wallet as well. For today, I'm going to use the XDEFI. And that's how you can make passive income as well as trading discounts, staking the Thor token. So how do we make passive income with the RUNE token? Well, let's get into that. So if I come over here and I want to click ThorYield, let's click ThorYield. I'm over here on their website. So this is a different site, app.thoryield.com. You'll want to come down here and click pools, and you'll want to research some of these pools. It looks like the BTC RUNE has the most liquidity. It is charging just over 4K in the last 24 hours in fees. It looks like Ethereum's less than half the liquidity and charging almost double the amount of fees over the last 24 hours. There's your APR with these particular pools. But if you want to, let's say, create a liquidity pool with BTC RUNE, you'd come over here and you would click Add Liquidity, and it would take you back to the THORSwap website. And if you have some BTC and RUNE in your wallet, you can provide liquidity that way. You could do it with just BTC. You could do it with just RUNE. So let's say I just had RUNE in my wallet. I would come over here and you would click the max once you're connected to your wallet. Let's connect it. You would click max. And what it'll do, it'll split RUNE to BTC 50-50. So let's say you have $1,000 in RUNE. It would split it 500 RUNE, 500 BTC. And then you would be able to create your liquidity pool. And if you want to see rewards you're getting off of the pool, you would come over here. You would click accounts. You would go into your XDEFI. And I would probably wait a week before checking to see how much rewards you're getting. I've done some research. It looks like you're going to get around 17, 18% at this particular point. So if I look at addresses, I come down here. You can grab your ThorChain address, enter it here under ThorChain, and then you add your address, and then you would be able to see your balance under that particular pool. And it'll give you the amount of rewards that you're currently earning. So that's what it's going to take to earn around 17 or 18% in rewards, being a liquidity provider on the THORSwap ThorYield platform. And remember, there are risks to this project. Nothing's bulletproof. You want to continue to do further research, and you are investing at your own risk. All right, well, I hope this video was informative. You learned something on the steps, how to make passive income with this particular project. I will continue to make more videos on passive income crypto projects. Until next time, thanks for watching.